Welcome to this lesson, guys. Today we're gonna draw this simple cabin in the forest here with two colors, and this time we're adding and a reflection. It's very interesting, so let's get started. To start this lesson, again, select here the typical 6B pencil and the color to black. The size is 100% as all of the other lessons. Now, start with this simple curvy line like this, and our first job is to draw the house, so it will be big house and start with a big triangle here like this. Now from the top of the triangle create one simple curvy line like this and leave some space like here. I will continue this line here, and basically the shape is like a tent. So now finish the shape like this with the same angle like on this triangle. See? This is perfect. And when you're ready with the basic shape like this, it's time to add and details. One of the details is the chimney right here. So just draw two straight lines like this. Another one to finish it, and the typical triangle. Now the smoke. Alright, we're done with this, and now it will be not a house without a door. So let's draw the door. Simple rectangle. Dot, and the last thing here will be the window. So let's draw in the window another rectangular shape. There we go, and another one right here, simple circle at the top. Alright. See, this will be the house elements. And now let's add the texture. The texture will be wooden texture, and we will draw it by simple straight lines with not a lot of pressure like this. This way we can show that this is a wooden texture. Now we will do the same on this side, and if you find it easy, you can rotate it a little bit and just follow this line again. Simple lines. Don't press too much. There we go. You just have to follow this line. And this will be for the house. Now let's add and the typical details. The trees. One here. Alright, and a couple of more. The last one. See that I'm not trying to create the perfect trees. I'm using very curvy and organic shapes. Now the back trees here. We'll draw them by selecting a barely visible gray color like this one. So pick some gray color, barely visible, and add in the background trees. Leave some space here. And the last tree will be here. Leave the space. Here I'm using even more space because it's more interesting that way. That's it. And now when we're done with this illustration, it's time to create that lake reflection effect, which is very cool. How to do that? Well, right now we're drawing on this layer. Don't look at these layers here because they are from the previous lessons. Focus on this one where we were drawing. Now I will make a slide like this and I will choose duplicate. Now when I duplicate this layer, I can basically select this arrow here and just select flip vertical. Select flip vertical and bring it back here like this. See? Now when you select the trees here, basically this tree has to match with this tree. So like this. Alright, now you can select here freeform and make it more squashed like this. Place it here again. And select again the arrow. Now on this layer, see, I will go to the eraser. And when you click the eraser, go here to airbrushing and pick the soft brush. Now select the size to around 70% and start from this position here because this is a very large brush. Start from here and delete this part. See, now when we delete this part here, on this layer, select here the N. And on the opacity, lower it to something you like. Probably 25% is fine. This will be the reflection. And this will be for our simple cabin in the woods with a lake and a reflection here. Thanks for watching.